Mobile, leaving site. Having already traveled to, and arrived on site, you may wish to leave site temporarily, for a variety of reasons, to purchase additional materials, for example. Should this be the case, simply navigate to, and press, the red Leave Site button. You will be required to choose from a list of reasons before proceeding. It should be noted that if a visit is scheduled over a number of days, you may wish to leave site at the end of each day, choosing to mark as completed on the final day of that job. Having chosen the Leave Site reason, the app will timestamp this update with the current time. However, you do have the ability to edit this time if required. Following pages will require the customer's signature, for approval. And then the engineers, also. Leaving site will stop the timer on the job, to ensure accurate costing of labor to the job, as well as accurately populating the engineer's timesheet. When the engineer returns to site, he or she can simply follow the Start Travel, on-site workflow again. Thank you for watching this tutorial.